Hello, everyone. Just want to bring it to your attention that we just watched Julie Wynn's live video today, Saturday, October the 18th. I want to bring it to your attention to please make sure you watch Julie's video and follow her instructions. She talks about the importance of having a YouTube channel, also to put hashtag Victory with Ash everywhere that you post company related material. If you are aligned with Ash, and if you are aligned with this movement, make sure you establish your YouTube channel if you don't already have it. And then title of your YouTube, it's best to call it hashtag Victory with Ash. And there is a space, then you do hashtag Ash Mufareh and put another space, hashtag your first name and last name. Because eventually you're going to need to let the world know who authentically you are, and it will be aligned with the business that we're about to start. Also, Julie has put together a form in case there is a corporate webinar and you would like your YouTube to be added to the rotator. So the corporate webinar also gets broadcasted through your YouTube channel. There is a form that Julie put it together that we can send you to fill up the information and follow the instructions. Also, she kindly put together a video that shows you step by step how to initiate a live stream to get into the poll, into the rotator. Now, please let us know if you need the form. You need to be aligned with our movements, and you need to be staying on the track and company material strictly. Let us know. Some of us be able to help you reach out, and best of luck. Julie and Chris Johnson and Susie all encourage us to get in there and send a message, maybe the smallest, shortest message every day, to just get our YouTube activated. And you need to gain at least 50 subscribers for you to be added to the live stream rotator. Take care, good luck, and God bless. Thank you.